Are you dreaming of investing in the next big startup and watching your money grow? Angel investing can make it happen, but getting started can feel tricky. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Stick around as we count down the 10 best angel investing platforms for beginners in 2025. Whether you're just starting or expanding your portfolio, these platforms make investing simple and stylish. You won't want to miss number 1. Starting our list at number 10, we have Seed Invest, a platform designed to make angel investing accessible to everyone. Seed Invest stands out because of its rigorous vetting process, ensuring that only high-quality startups make it to the platform. For beginners, Seed Invest offers a low minimum investment, making it easier to get your feet wet without taking on too much risk. The platform also provides detailed information about each startup, including their business plans, financials, and team backgrounds. This transparency is invaluable for those new to the world of angel investing. Plus, the intuitive interface makes browsing opportunities and building your portfolio simple. At number 9, we have Start Engine, one of the most popular equity crowdfunding platforms. It allows beginners to invest in diverse startups and small businesses. What makes Start Engine special is its focus on community. Investors can interact with founders through Conda sections and updates, giving you a more personal connection to the companies you're backing. With a low investment minimum and a broad array of industries to choose from, Start Engine is perfect for those looking to dip their toes into angel investing. Additionally, it offers an option to invest in early-stage companies that could potentially deliver significant returns. Coming in at number 8, we have Republic, a platform that's democratizing angel investing for beginners. Republic specializes in making investing inclusive by offering opportunities with low minimums, often starting at just $10. This platform is ideal for beginners because it focuses on a wide range of industries, including tech, real estate, and consumer goods. Republic also stands out for its educational resources, which help newcomers understand the risks and rewards of angel investing. The user-friendly design and clear investment terms make it a great choice for those just starting. At number 7, we have Crowdcube, a platform worth considering for those interested in startups across the globe. Based in the UK, Crowdcube has been instrumental in helping European startups connect with investors. The platform provides beginners with detailed insights into each business opportunity, including financial forecasts and growth strategies. With its low entry point and the ability to invest in both startups and established businesses, Crowdcube appeals to investors who want to diversify their portfolios. The platform also offers perks like early bird investment rounds, making it a favorite for savvy beginners. Next up at number 6, we have Micro Ventures, a platform that blends crowdfunding with venture capital. This unique approach allows beginners to co-invest with experienced angel investors and venture capitalists. Micro Ventures offers investment opportunities in startups at various stages, from seed to growth. The platform provides detailed due diligence reports, helping beginners make informed decisions. While the minimum investment can be slightly higher than other platforms, the potential for higher returns makes it worth considering. It's an excellent option for those who want a mix of crowdfunding accessibility and professional-grade investment opportunities. At number 5, we have WeFunder, a platform that focuses on early-stage startups. WeFunder prides itself on connecting everyday investors with businesses that are just starting to make their mark. With its low minimum investment and a wide variety of industries to explore, WeFunder is perfect for beginners who want to support innovative ideas. The platform also emphasizes transparency, offering detailed updates updates from founders to keep investors in the loop. By investing early, beginners have the chance to see significant growth if the startups succeed. It's a great way to get involved in the startup ecosystem while keeping risk manageable. At number 4, we have EquityZen, a platform that specializes in providing access to shares of private companies that are gearing up to go public. EquityZen is beginner-friendly because it bridges the gap between startup investing and traditional stock market investing. The platform offers clear investment opportunities with a focus on lower-risk companies. While the minimum investment is higher compared to some other platforms, the opportunity to invest in companies with proven track records makes it a valuable choice for beginners looking to minimize uncertainty. Taking the number 3 spot, we have AngelList, one of the original platforms for angel investing. Known for its robust features, AngelList allows beginners to join syndicates and co-invest alongside experienced investors. The platform offers access to some of the most promising startups, particularly in the tech sector. Beginners can start with relatively small amounts by joining syndicates, where a lead investor handles due diligence. This collaborative approach reduces the pressure on newcomers while giving them exposure to high-potential startups. AngelList also provides valuable data and insights, making it an excellent learning tool for beginner investors. At number 2, we have Fundraise, a platform that focuses on real estate investments. While it's not a traditional angel investing platform, Fundraise offers a unique way to diversify your portfolio with low-risk, high-return opportunities. Fundraise is perfect for beginners because it eliminates the complexity of real estate investing. You can start with as little as $10 and gain access to expertly managed real estate portfolios. The platform's user-friendly interface and transparent reporting make it easy for beginners to track their investments and see how they're performing. If you're looking for steady returns and a less volatile investment option, Fundraise is an excellent choice. Finally, at number 1, we have Kingscrowd, a comprehensive platform that provides data-driven insights into the world of crowdfunding and angel investing. Kingscrowd stands out because it doesn't just offer investment opportunities, it empowers beginners with the knowledge they need to succeed. The platform aggregates information from multiple equity crowdfunding platforms, giving you access to a wide range of deals. Kingscrowd also provides ratings and analytics, helping you identify the best opportunities based on your goals and risk tolerance. This all-in-one approach makes Kingscrowd a must-have tool for beginners. Whether you're investing in startups, real estate, or other ventures, Kingscrowd equips you with the tools to make informed decisions and grow your wealth. And there you have it, the top 10 angel investing platforms for beginners in 2025. Each platform offers unique features to help you start your investing journey with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and insights into making smart financial moves. See you in the next video.